I'm Russ,
I'm June.
and welcome back to another episode of
Gohan Time!
And today we're going to make
Baked salmon. I made this morning potato salad. And I'm gonna cook the carrot today. And salmon. Salmon das. Yeah, salmon. And what else?
rice.
Rice.
I'm going to do a cup and a half of rice.
Ja. If over one じゃない half rice, put the lid on, and did you turn on? No. いいですか？いきます。Sugar and soy sauce. I want to put more soy sauce though. Peel. Too much. And thenはい、オーラ入りました。インダグリオ。And dapat kami na ano lang. Ah! 間違えた。あらか。はい。ファイヤーと。いい、はい。とスキンサイトップ。はい。いい？クローズするよ。はい。バイバイ。じゃーん。My decoration is not good. Like a guy. You don't think so?
綺麗だよ。Your presentation is 綺麗。
そう？どうです？っていうかね、the sesame is ね。Looks different.
That's ours. And this is the book.
This Sesame ね。Mine is grinded.
Looks good.
どう？いいかな？はい。ちゃんと開けられてない。今日は長ネギのお味噌汁。はい、いきます。湯気で見えないでしょ。か。お腹いっぱいになりそう。This is for you. いくよ。肌さえたっけ？ごめん、肌さえたった。いい？本当はこうやってスキンとオフにしたかった。ごめんね。熱いでしょ。どう？ Good?
Looks good.
Gohan time!
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We would love to hear from you, so please leave a comment. If you haven't seen any of our other videos, please check them out too. Until we meet again, mata ne!